birds go by. Westward at even, yet never, never to die. Surely they live as ever the laugh and the sigh. After the fight and the fall, the defeat of the pilgrim, the birds go by. No, not for dying like all the sweet flowers are they. Flowers giving hope to mankind on their little stay, failing only as love fails at the end of the day. Green earth and water have gladdening out their cry, lifting the eyes to the heart in the height of the sky. I dream that they beat to the dead, the thoughts of the living, the birds go by.